short video today showcasing this very cool piece here. Thank you to our partners at Kenwell CNC. Very cool prototype machined piece. Now it's actually replacing this whole unit here. So this is the timing cover for the Toyota 3RZ engine. Now this here this original piece sat over here and formed part of the oil pump system, right? So because I'm running an auxiliary oil pump, can actually remove this oil pump section. We don't actually need any of these particular cutouts and things in the back here, because that oil pump section is no longer performing a function. It's been blocked off. Right. What was happening with this particular part, this piece sat on here, right, and there was trigger pieces, so a couple of triggers for the electronic ignition, right. So there's a magnet that spins around in here and tells the engine when to fire the cylinders. In order to mount that, we had this ring, part of the original MSD system, needed to be mounted onto the front of the engine. In order to do that, I had to try and mount as best I could these pieces here. So I had to have that bolted through there, had to make up these plates, and then in order to attach these plates, had to try and drill holes in the timing chain cover and this oil pump cover, right, which became a nightmare to try and seal. Meant that maintenance on the engine, that was so much more difficult. So actually been able to come up with a whole new piece that's going to replace all of this. If I can get it off to show you. There we go. So I get rid of all of that. This piece here, which sits on here, and then that piece bolts down in position there, and these pieces will slip in here. So then I have a much cleaner setup, just two trigger pieces. I'll get it all put together and take a quick video of it on the car later. But yes, you can see that a very nice piece of machining there, which is actually going to make my whole setup much more reliable and much more easy to work on. Massive thank you once again to Kenwell CNC.